today. You feel me? I just woke up. Well, a couple hours ago, I just woke up. You feel me? Pretty much chilling. Probably finna play a game. Probably, I don't know. Just some. You feel me? But let me tell you something, bro. I bought this game from the thrift store, G. Yes, I go to the thrift store, bro. You feel me? I bought this game from the thrift store, bro. I open this bitch up, try to play it. This bitch don't even work, bro. This used to be my game, bro. If y'all got this game, let me know if I can get it. But other than that, we not doing nothing. We just chilling. But yeah, I'm gonna get back at y'all with the vlog later on today. But yeah, we finna fix these French toast. I'm waiting for the oven to preheat. You feel me? I'm waiting for this oven to preheat. And then, alright, bye-bye. Give me high five. Watch this, watch. Give me high five. Give me high five.
You ain't gonna say sight.
No, give me high five. Sight?
No.
Give me high five, give me high five. Sight?
Not for long.
He finally got me, bro. Crazy. You already know, crusty, dusty feet. Whoever told you need syrup for Cinnamon Toast Crunch? Whoever told you that you need syrup for Cinnamon Toast Crunch? Oh, they lied to you. You do not need that. That's just making you unhealthy. Like, the food already unhealthy, and you add hella syrup to your Cinnamon Toast. That shit unhealthy, bro. But yeah, this shit banging. I already showed y'all the pictures, you feel me? I ain't gotta show y'all no more. I'm finna watch TV. Yeah. I couldn't finish it, folks. So I couldn't finish the whole day, folks. But I'm gonna try to down that sausage here. I don't know how it's gonna go, folks. But we gonna see. I couldn't do it, y'all. But make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe, cause I'm out.